Using filters to help search your files. From the dashboard view, click Files. From here, there's a few different ways that you can filter how to see your files. You can click your top of the column, and that will sort based on the column that you are looking at. You can also use the filter icon and select which type of job you want to view. You can view them all, you can view only a few of them, or you can view just one of them, depending on what you are looking for in the system. To erase that, click on the funnel icon, select all, and you will then see all of your jobs. In a different column, you may want to type a searchable field. Click on the funnel, click on your constraint, and then click on your filter. Depending on what you're searching for, will pull up your view. To click out of that, just erase the filter that you have entered.